Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn getting output in JavaScript, how many types are available and how we can use to get an output in JavaScript. So here the possibilities are 4 types mostly we can use to get output in JavaScript on browser side. So the one by one we'll see, that is we have already seen in Hello World program, that is the one option is .inner HTML. With the document ID we have seen .inner HTML option. So these we are writing into an HTML element using inner.html, we can get the output using JavaScript. The second one is using document.write. So the second one is the document.write. So how we will get this document.write we'll see. And the next one is the second one, I'll write here document.write. This method, this function will get in output. And the third one is window.alert. Alert. This method, writing this implementation also, we may get the output. And the last one, console.log method. So writing these, first one is inner.html. We have already seen in our previous lecture how to get using this inner.html to getting in a string element. So here in the immediately I'm going to writing in second example. In second example, like document.write. How we will write and how to get this document.write by implementing an output we'll see. See, as inner.html we have seen the hello world. Instead of hello world, a simple thing I'll write here. So maybe applying of like a 6 plus 4. Let's see, save it and run. Wow, 10 we are seeing here. What a awesome. Why? This JavaScript automatically applies arithmetic operators. The plus addition. So 6 plus 4, it's a numbers. If I am donating directly, you can get it. If it is double quotes, it will be treated as string. Other than if we are passing numbers, it will be numbers. Using inner.html, we are able to getting an output. So cool. So here we go to see the next example with document.write with this 6 plus 4. How we will get? Let's see. Removing all these things. Yeah, document is there now. Yes, removing this get element by ID. I'm not depending on any ID over here. So document.write method, inside this 6 plus 4 I am adding. That's it. Save it and run it. So you may able to see here in the output. Have you seen? We are not depending on this particular paragraph over here now. So directly after writing these statements, we are able to getting this document.write directly where it is required. We are directly writing JavaScript inside the script tags. So it is executing and it is giving you an output. See, if I am written something here, it's on a break line, save it, reload, we are getting here. If I am writing one more break line means there is a one more space I am taking line break. So see, this is the 10 we are getting with the document.write function, this one about to discuss. So the second one is done. So now the third one, window.alert. Alert means in JavaScript we may give the pop-up window. See here, ALERT, alert method 6 plus 4. Save this, reload. So document, sorry, it's a not document, it's a window. Yes, window.alert. Save this, refresh. Wow, this page says 10. See, what is the 10? This is the total only 10. So if I am remaining like a 6 plus 6, save it, reload, 12. What a fantastically we are getting an output in JavaScript alerts. If you need any JavaScript alerts in the client side in HTML, CSS alerts, success, not success, and error codes, all you will use Windows.alert wherever you require. If you want to present any alert Windows, alright, this is the one of the great and cool option to get Windows like a JavaScript outputs. And now a great feature one more is like console.log. Console.log. Yes, see, when I am typing something, my code editor, see, my code editor will suggest you alphabetical order. So log I am selecting from the library. See, these are the most popular, which are Sublime Text Editor and brackets and Visual Studio Code. These are the editors will suggest you what the name which you have used if it is updated and latest version. So try to apply more and more options to get, and these are the libraries with the latest versions only the possible. So console.log, when you type some like written something this method in this way and writing something here like 6 plus 6 applying of arithmetic operator, save this and reload. So to get console.log output, how you will check the console.log output? In the browser, it's a Windows, I'm pressing F12 key, F12 key. Or else what you need to do, you have to go here, you have to go to here on more tools, developer tools. Yes, if you are pressing developer tools, you will see this window, these developer tools. Check with the browser like Mozilla or any other browsers. You may find like developer tools called elements, console, source, networks, these windows. Like these tab features, which is the browser, most of the modern browsers are supporting these, all the features are available. You need to find out. If it is Google Chrome, you need to press F12 on your keyboard with the browser and you will get here, or else developer tools you need to choose from the settings. Here it's in a console window, you need to click on the console window. When you run the like a reload, when you return the something, your code is perfectly you have written with the console.log. If you have written in your program console.log with the end line with the terminator, then you have to save it and refresh the page which is opened as an output. Here in the developer tools, you need to go to console. There you may see the outputs are directly. See, I will change the value 6 plus 4, save it, 6 plus 4, save it, and see, when I reload the page, when I am refreshing or reloading the page, console will replacing with the value of 10. How sweet it is. The line number 20, which is running the code, and the developer tools you are seeing like index.html form, line number 20 it is presenting, which the code is getting an output in here the console window. So which output method you want to write and continue with the JavaScript learning languages? Yes, absolutely, you may choose yourself. And here, to better understand to deal with the HTML elements and components, here we are choosing document.getElement by ID or by name. These type of code written, particularly we may focus on the IDs, names, which component of the like HTML elements we may treat directly. So we most of the lectures will cover with this option. So the inner HTMLs and document.getElement ID, which is I have shown you in Hello World program. In later lectures, which we are going to be discussing with this component only. So accordingly we'll write. If you want to change it, there is no problem at all. Like what you need to do, document.getElementID in the place of, you need to write console.log only. That's it. What you need to do to learn the programming language, how to write the syntaxes and how to prepare the logic using JavaScript language is very much essential to learn basic fundamentals for beginners who are seeking, who are already familiar in development but should new to beginner in JavaScript. Yes, the course is for them only. So let's go one by one by taking advantages and initiating the fundamentals in next lecture onwards. We'll go the next section very soon. Catch you there. Thank you.